Welcome to Dad and Diesel, and for some reason we decided to move from beautiful Texas to Northwest Missouri to this. Oh, why did I leave Texas? All right, I'm going to attempt to drive to town. So I'm either going to videotape my demise or a beautiful trip. So stick around with us as we go on this trip into town, because we live probably about 20 minutes from the next major town. And so I got to go pick Holly up from work. We'll see. She may be staying the night at work, and I may be walking home, or we may make it okay. So I think we're up about 6 inches so far. And we're supposed to get a lot more under a blizzard warning. So we'll see. All right, thanks for coming. Come on, man.